大家好，我是 Julian Blissett. I am here at the Cadillac plant in Shanghai. This is our first plant that restarted vehicle production following the COVID-19 outbreak. It has been up and running since mid-February. The past few months have been unprecedented. Most of us haven't encountered something like this in our lifetime. But thanks to the arduous effort that China has made, significant progress has been achieved in controlling the coronavirus. I have been impressed by the solidarity and the resilience this country has demonstrated, a place that I am proud for. However, the situation we're facing remains unsettling. The impact that COVID-19 pandemic has had on our industry is huge, and it will linger. In the face of these difficult times, we have stayed optimistic because of the trust and faith we have in our people, our partners, our dealers, and our suppliers. Over the past 2 months, they have worked extremely hard to restart production, to ensure that we can deliver vehicles to our customers, to make sure parts are available on time, to step up support for consumers through innovative online channels, and to return our operations in China to normal. We'll continue working closely with each other to support the recovery of the automotive industry. We are all in this together, and we will get through this together. 众志成城. No matter how tough the environment is, I have confidence that this team will always rise to the occasions, as we have in the past. Despite the challenge at the moment, our commitment to China has never wavered. I firmly believe that China's inner strength can overcome any challenge and sustain vitality over the long term. And our strong business partnerships, our strong business foundation, our unmatched local capabilities built up over the past 2 decades will continue to pave the way for us to develop tailored personal mobility solutions in China for China. 让我们一起努力，加油！